This is how to make this 3D printable milk crate from start to finish. The first thing you want to do is open up a blank canvas inside Fusion 360, then create a sketch that is 75mm by 75, then extrude that sketch around 75mm, creating a box. Next, let's go ahead and add an image of a 2D layout for the milk crate. Then let's create an offset on the face where the layout is. Then let's also go ahead and shell the top, so that way we have an opening for the middle. And then let's go ahead and create the indent so we can create the webs for our crate. From here, let's go ahead and set up the pattern for our design. I'm going to use the line tool for this, and then what we're going to do is use this web tool within Fusion. By using the web tool, we can go ahead and extrude these lines out by around 1mm. And then we can also mirror this feature onto the other side. Let's go ahead and create the opening or the window for our design. Then let's go ahead and sketch out the web for our milk crate. From here, we're going to go ahead and use the web feature once again to create the cutout or the pattern for our milk crate. And then we're going to create a cutout for the handle that sits at the very top of this milk crate. From here, let's go ahead and extrude this to the other side. And then we can go ahead and circular pattern these features of our milk crate all around our design, so that way we don't have to redo everything from start to finish. Now, once our design is finished, let's go ahead and export this to our slicer. And now we've fully completed this 3D printable milk crate from start to finish. If you want to learn how to design your own 3D printable designs for 3D printing, I've opened up slots to the 14-day design challenge, showing you exactly how to design your own models, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want to sign up for the challenge, you can find the link in bio.